everyone, this is CADe Esser from RecDesk. Let's take a look at our top global regulatory updates this week. Our first alert is from the USA, where the FDA has announced a new FDA precheck program to boost U.S. drug manufacturing. Our second alert is from Taiwan regarding guidance for registration of AI/ML technology of CADe and CADx medical devices. Guidance for registration of these devices is updated due to technology development, and the original announcement 112.160.7549 was abolished. Our third alert is from Switzerland regarding the information sheet systems and procedure packs. The information sheet describes the obligations for the assembly and labeling of systems and procedure packs, as well as the associated obligations of economic operators in Switzerland. Our fourth alert is from Chile, where the ISP has published the Guide to Good Manufacturing Practices for Medical Devices and in-vitro diagnostic medical devices. This outlines the requirements that establishments engaged in the manufacture of these products must implement to ensure their quality, safety, and performance, as well as compliance with regulatory requirements. Thank you for joining us. We love providing these updates for you, so be sure to give us a like if you find them useful. This is CADe Esser with your Global Regulatory Updates.